Here's how to fix the Call of Duty Warzone BIOS firmware update required error. Open the Xbox app or Steam, click the three dots next to Warzone, select Manage, then Files, then Browse to open the game installation folder. Navigate into the Code and Content folders and find the COD Broker installer. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. This re-registers the broker service that the error is warning about. If that does not fix it, find and run the enroll.exe file in the same folder as administrator as well. For a more thorough fix, press Windows R, type services.msc and press Enter. Scroll down to COD Broker Service. Double-click it, change the startup type to Automatic, and if the service is stopped, click Start. Right-click it and select Restart. This error usually means the game's system broker service is either not running or not properly registered. These two methods address both causes. You do not actually need to update your BIOS unless the error persists after both fixes. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.